Hello, and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Brian Haug, and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. Smokers who receive telephone-based smoking cessation counseling shortly after undergoing lung cancer screening may be more likely to quit smoking, according to a new Georgetown Lombardi-led study. This study may be key to finding an effective method for counseling patients to quit smoking. 92 participants agreed to receive either telephone counseling or standard of care after undergoing lung cancer screening. Participants in the telephone counseling group received 6 10 to 15-minute counseling sessions over the 3 months following their screening. 8 individuals out of 46 in the telephone counseling group were proven to have verifiably have quit smoking versus only 2 in the other group. In light of these results, the NIH has granted funding to researchers to conduct a larger study of telephone-based cessation counseling with 1,300 patients at 5 medical centers nationwide. Recent study results suggest that patients don't know enough about warfarin, which could have potentially dangerous consequences. Warfarin, also known as Coumadin and Jantoven, is given to patients who are at increased risk of blood clots, including those with atrial fibrillation and mechanical heart valves. Although the drug can be a lifesaver, incorrect dosage can have adverse effects as serious as stroke. Warfarin works to thin the blood by affecting how the body uses vitamin K to make blood clotting proteins. If patients take too much warfarin, their blood could become too thin, which could lead to bleeding. Meanwhile, too little warfarin can mean there won't be enough to prevent blood clots, which could be fatal. Pharmacists may receive more questions about a prescription drug called Trintellix vortioxetine for depression that's being advertised on TV lately. The ad shows colorful animated strings stemming from one person's mind to illustrate that depression is a tangle of multiple symptoms rather than a single symptom like loss of interest, sadness, or difficulty concentrating. Trintellix may start to untangle or improve these symptoms of depression. Trintellix was formerly called Brintellix, but Takeda Pharmaceuticals changed the drug's name in May of last year because it was often confused with the anti-blood clotting drug Brilinta. Melatonin content did not meet with the 10% margin of dietary supplement label claims in more than 71% of supplements, with the actual content ranging from about 80% less to almost 478% more than the concentration declared on the label, according to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine. A new clinical practice guideline recommends that clinicians not use melatonin as a treatment for sleep onset or sleep maintenance insomnia because the overall evidence available was weak against melatonin's efficacy. Because melatonin is classified as a dietary supplement, it is not subject to the same scrutiny as medications that are approved by the FDA. When comparing supplement labels, U.S. consumers should look for the USP verified mark, which indicates the formulation meets the requirements of the U.S. Pharmacopoeial Convention. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Brian Haug at the Pharmacy Times News Network.